Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video I want to talk about how to create company email or webmail. Yes, how to create webmail or company email from the cPanel. So a lot of people actually know about webmail, which some refer to as company email, but they don't know how to create it. Sometimes you see them messaging you and telling you, can you help me create webmail, especially developers. And through this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do that. It is very easy. Now, before you get here, you have to already have purchased your domain name and your hosting, and you'll be given a cPanel. For this, I'm using Namecheap. So the link in the description to purchase Namecheap, to purchase the hosting from Namecheap is the link in the description. So I'm using Namecheap for this, and I'm going to show you how to. So for first thing, you have to log into your cPanel, and the second thing is to look for email account. As you can see, this is email account. I could adjust this upward. Sorry, take that back. So this is email account. I could adjust this upward if I want. I could take it upward. But this is email account. So I want to click on email account. As I said before, the email account is also referred to as webmail or whatever form you call it. It's still the same thing. Now, to create a webmail account, all you just have to do is to click on create, and then you enter your username. So let's call this info at smsmore.com, and then the password, let's call it hosting 124 hashtag. So this could be our password and email account, and what we'll do next is to click on create, and it has automatically created our account. Now to log in, all you just have to do is to click on check me. As you can see, just click on check me, it will take you directly. Now there's still another video I'm going to do on how to log in your webmail with all the methods. So there are different methods you can use to log in your webmail, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So um, now we've logged into our webmail, and this is how our webmail looks. So what we can do here is to send email to people from this dashboard by clicking on this place, which is this compose icon, just like a regular Gmail. You put the email address here, put the subject, put the description, and you click on send. You are not paying a dime for this, so that is it. So I could do that for this same thing here. So it's still the same process. You can create as many email or company email as you want. It all depends on you, so you can create as many as you want. So as you can see, this is it. Right, so that is it. So you can create as many as you want. So thank you for watching this tutorial. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you on my next video. So bye for now, guys.